Om Sahana Vavatu Sakano Bhunaktu Sakaviram Karavavahai Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vedvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Om Peace 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 Om Bolo Sadguru Shivananda Maharaj Ki Jai Om Bolo Shri Swami Vishnudevananda Maharaj Ki Jai Om Namo Narayanaya. Welcome, sweet practitioner. This is Mahalakshmi with 1 ounce practice. Thank you for joining me for a couple of rounds of Kapala Bhati breathing, skull shining breath. It's an awesome practice which is both a kriya, a cleansing technique, as well as pranayama, breath or energy management technique. It cleanses the lungs, increases the capacity, and it also increases the intake of oxygen into the blood, which is especially felt in the brain. It stimulates the nervous system and increases our capacity to mentally concentrate. It also activates the nervous system, so it's best to be avoided before bedtime and best to be practiced during the day or early in the morning. It also stimulates the blood circulation and gently massages the heart as we do active exhalations, contracting the diaphragm, and passive inhalations, relaxing the diaphragm. It has been found helpful by people with asthma. If you just had a meal and you're still digesting it, I would suggest you do an Anuloma Viloma instead and allow the meal to get properly absorbed by the body and come back to Kapala Bhati breathing 2 hours after or in the morning. If you're currently pregnant, congratulations! I would also suggest that you switch to Anuloma Viloma or alternate nostril breathing until you deliver. If you're good to go and ready to practice some Kapala Bhati breathing, then let's get our skulls shining. Let's sit comfortably in a chair or a couch or on a cushion on the floor. The spine is up straight, chin is parallel to the ground. Hands can be in chin mudra, or for the first few expulsions, you can have one or both hands on the abdominal area to feel how the contractions are actually happening. So we inhale and exhale through the nose, and it looks like this. We only move the abdomen and the shoulders, the neck, the spine, and the chest are as still as possible. Hear how it looks from the side. As you probably noticed, I wasn't pushing with my hand into the abdomen. I was just feeling the expulsion. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. We'll do 3 rounds of Kapala Bhati breathing with about 20 to 30 expulsions. Each round will start with 2 breaths and will end with about 20 to 30 seconds retention. So let's sit up straight, spine erect, arms relaxed or on the abdomen for the first few pumps. The way that I'll be guiding you is with exhale, exhale, exhale. In that moment, you contract the abdominal muscles and the diaphragm. If at any point you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, pause, return to normal breathing, lay down and relax. You might have hyperventilated. It is possible to happen, especially at the beginning when the body is not used to the higher level of oxygen. It will gradually fade away with practice, but until then, make sure that you just pause for a moment and allow your body to adjust and absorb the extra oxygen that it just got. So let's sit comfortably. Inhale deeply, abdomen, ribcage, and chest expand. And exhale completely through the nose. Inhale, abdomen, ribcage, and chest expand. Then exhale, abdomen, ribcage, and chest relax. Inhale. Exhale, 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 exhale completely. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale completely through the nose. Inhale one more time. And exhale. Inhale to 80% capacity and retain the breath. "20 seconds, exhale completely through the nose. And inhale through the nose. Exhale normally. Prepare for the second round. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Inhale, abdomen, ribcage and chest expand. And exhale, abdomen, ribcage and chest relax. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Exhale completely. And inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Inhale one more time. And exhale one more time. Inhale to 80% capacity and retain the breath. "25 seconds, exhale completely. Inhale deeply. And exhale completely. Return to normal breathing. And prepare for the third and last round. Inhale, abdomen, ribcage and chest expand. And exhale, abdomen, ribcage and chest relax. Inhale deeply. And exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Exhale completely. And inhale through the nose. Abdomen, ribcage and chest expand. And exhale, abdomen, ribcage and chest relax. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale to 80% capacity and retain the breath. 30 seconds. Exhale completely. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Return to normal breathing. And notice how you feel just after a few minutes of practice. Let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Om Namo Narayanaya.